Begin by magnetically mounting your monitor in proximity to the tank's hood. Close the hood to verify that the monitor is indeed in the clear. Clip the sensor into the gauge, ensuring you slide it all the way in. The sensor should click when installed correctly. Use 2 or more tie wraps to secure the lead to the feed line. Note: we suggest you allow for a foot or so of slack between the gauge and the feed line to avoid pulling the lead too tightly and dislodging the sensor from the gauge. Gather the excess lead into a neat bundle and secure it with a tie wrap. Then tuck it away under the regulator. Finally, verify that your gauge's reading is accurate and that the sensor is still correctly clipped in. Then, close the tank's hood to confirm that the lead is securely attached to the feed line and cannot be pinched or cut by the closed cover. Thanks for watching!